YouTube, what's going on? Your boy, SRTBree, back with a longer awaited video. And today, doing a few little updates on the fin. I'm removing the car stickers, the ones on the Instagram and the YouTube car stickers. And yeah, we're gonna be retinting my taillights. So definitely stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one. So let's get it started. I already know what y'all came to see. I know. I got you. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm gonna be redoing my tail lights and VHT Niteshade. Rapidly. Just in case you may not know what I'm talking about, even though you should. But yeah, it's the stuff, the VHT Niteshade. And I put it on my car about a year and a half ago. Real black. I'll include the pictures from my Instagram that I posted. But yeah, as you can see, guys, it's now faded. It's like I don't even have any tint. You kind of see where the spray was, but yeah, it's mostly faded now. So it's gonna need a touch up. This side too. So yeah, guys, so yeah, it's running about VHT, running about, oh man, how should I remove it or whatever. I would say don't even worry about it, unless you get pulled over for it, but eventually it's going to fade anyway, as you can see. So within a year, don't really matter. But yeah, guys, retouch it up, remove those car stickers. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna get these window stickers out of the way. I already did a video on it if you need to know how to remove car stickers from windows. I have a video on my channel, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. You're gonna lube up the sticker and get behind it and scrape. This plastic may not work. I need an actual razor. Yeah, use the actual razor. Real easy. Excess glue, just scrape it off at a 45-degree angle. See, guys, simple as that. A little bit of cleanup from the glue letters since they were on there a while. Might have a little bit of glue. Since it's a window, no biggie. Okay, one window all done. See, that ain't take no time at all. Spray it down with the Rain-X. If you don't use this, use it. Change your life out. I'm on a dirty car, guys. It's been raining non-stop and I ain't even have time to wash it. So I'm gonna wash it today though. Trust and believe that. So yeah, guys, you see, when it's all clean, you see this little bit of stuff right here. That's the glue I was talking about. Very easy to take care of that. Alright, now as you can see, gang, clean window, no residue left. As you can see, no more Niteshade Hybrid. What you guys think? Should I get more window stickers? Better ones, of course. I'm leaving that K&N because, of course, I got the K&N filters in there. Everybody got to know what's up with me. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna just finish taking the stickers off. Take them on the back. Take that one off. Take that one off. Since this is messed up, it's messed up. This is still good, but should I leave this one? This one? Nah, I should probably take them all off. Rather around looking real clean for a little bit. But yeah, guys, I'm finished taking these off, and I'll be back when I get to do the taillights. All right, YouTube, as you can see, all the stickers are gone, nice and clean. Sticker right there, can't tell. You know, sticker up there, can't tell. All clean. Windshield clean. This side clean. See what you guys think. Should I get more stickers or should I just leave it clean? I ain't gonna lie, I did get a lot of subscribers and Instagram followers just for me being a trailer. Because, oh, I seen your car. So I definitely appreciate it. So, I mean, I'm probably definitely get some more. But now on to the tedious part. Doing these taillights. I already got them cleaned, and you know, the most extensive part is the masking off. So I guess I'm ready to get busy. Alright, gang, I ain't gonna lie, it's taking a very long time, but that's probably the most work you gotta do is the masking off. Because if you mask it off real good, you ain't gonna worry about no cleanup. You just spray. So it's definitely taking a while. About halfway done. Just gotta wipe the outer edge of this one, and then I gotta put some paper on the outskirts so nothing else gets messed up. We're working on it, guys. It takes time. Well, I'm just about to rip off a last piece of little tape. I'm gonna resume it after that. It's gonna take a while. Alright, gang. I got the right side done. It's taking extremely long, but it'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. That's all you gotta keep saying. It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. This shit is hell. Alright, gang. Guess I'm all done. Ripping them off. Call it together if you want. Balling on the budget over here. Look good and messed up, guys. What you think? With no type of overspray. So we should be alright. Took a while. Looks ghetto, but hey, you ready to get the job done, dummy. Do the first coat nice and light, guys, because this stuff is very, very thin, so you don't want to, you know, especially don't sit in one spot, because, you know, like I said, it's thin, it'll pull, you'll see drips, so you just want to, you know, always be in motion, don't hold it for too long. You do very light coats. There, I'm gonna let that dry. Give you guys an up close look after the first coat. I'm sitting here waiting for it to dry. guys. No drips. Anywhere else, but I say nice light coats, don't be too close. Same thing over here. Nice clean glossy finish. I guess after a while once it faded, yeah, it gave me like a matte look to it, but you get right big shiny, right big black. So I'm gonna just stop the camera now and just turn back on when it's time for the second coat. Right, there's the second coat. Alright gang, just sprayed the third layer. What you guys thinking? Dark enough for one more layer? I'm thinking maybe one more layer. Yes sir, we're looking good guys. Back here. Oh yeah, that's nice. So yeah, I'm gonna just do one more coat on them and we should be done. And let's see, I still had about a quarter of this stuff left, so I could technically do my taillights. If they fade again, I could technically do it one more time. Technically. It's crazy, so yeah, I guess I hit them one more layer. How much I got left? Probably enough for whenever they fade again, and let them dry for a little bit. Take all the stuff off and let you guys see the finished product. Alright, pretty much finish up this last coat. This is, I think, my fourth coat. So, finish this up. It's 4 coats, count them, 4 coats, VHT Niteshade. So I'm gonna let it dry for about 15 minutes, take all this stuff off, and we shall see where we at, guys. All right, YouTube, we back about 15 minutes later. It's all dry. Time to peel everything off and see what we working with, guys. Let me give you guys a close-up showing you. I think all this is extra. It's not, as you can see, even all the way down here. And it looks like paint splatter, so that's why it's always good to mask off, because if not, it would definitely be all on your car, even up here. Luckily I got a black car, and I did a good enough job masking, so we'll see if there's any shadows when I take everything off, but it shouldn't be, since I see what I mean, guys. Even all the way down here, you think your bumper would be good? Nope. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Alright, time to peel all this stuff off. Sheesh, looking blackety black. Sheesh. Yes sir, guys, yes sir. As you can see, no overspray, no weird nasty hazy line. Yes sir. Let me peel off the other side. Oh, we're looking good, guys. I'm excited. Yes sir, regain. We all untaped. I think my phone about to die. Let me hurry this up. Alright guys, as you can see, all untaped. Looking good, looking good. Finished product. Show you guys what the taillights look like. SRTBree gang. That's pretty much it for this video. So, bam, re-blacked out the taillights with the VHT Niteshade and removed my window stickers. Yes, sir. And as you know, guys, still smacked up credit. 10% on that shield. Still no front plate. We still going strong, guys. But yeah, it's pretty much end of this video. You know the motto. Until next time.